In this video, you're going to learn some basic Photoshop editing on how to edit your photos. Moving from here to here. First, you duplicate your image by pressing Ctrl J. Then you go to Filter, select Camera Raw Filter. You can zoom in or out to have some good feel of the ambience of the image. We can start by removing the highlight by clicking on Basic. You can see the highlight on the face. You can play around with the settings. And you see the before and after. You can add some saturation and vibrance. And click here to preview this image. You can also play with the color just to your taste. Then click OK. You can see the before and after. Let's add some black and white adjustment layer to this. And then reduce the opacity like this. After editing, let me show you how to save your work. You click on File, you click on Export As, and a dialog box will come up. Then you follow the setting and click Save. Thank you for watching. Please like, share. If you have any question or comment, don't forget to drop it in the comment section, and see you in my next video.